Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a budget in YNAB. Okay, so first up, what you'll do is just go ahead and add in your account. Okay, so just click on add account right here. Now go ahead and select your bank, okay, credit or debit. Select it from here. If you can't find it in the list, just use the search bar. Okay, follow simple prompts and it will be added right here. Or you can go ahead and add it. For example, you have cash. Okay, just click on add an unlinked account. Give it a nickname, for example, my wallet or my savings. Select the account type right here, savings, cash, checking. It's up to you. And we have here debts as well. So we're not going to be talking about debts today as we already have uploaded the videos for YNAB. Okay, you can go ahead and check it out on the channel. Now going back, once you have your account added, for example, here I have two, okay, my wallet and my savings. So once you have those added, or once you have one added, you can now go ahead and go to plan right here. Okay, this is where the budgeting happens. You have here the bills, needs, and wants. If you want to add in some more category, just click on the plus sign right here and give it a name. Okay, so let's say, for example, we have here bills. Okay, if you want to add in category, for example, you need to pay. Okay, click on plus sign, car payment. All right, click on OK. It will be added. So what you'll do is just go ahead and click on it and click on create a target. Okay, you'll have to do this to all of your categories right here. If you want to delete the category, just right click on it and hit on delete. Now going back on the right panel, I need the target, which is weekly or monthly. So I need maybe a $350 per month. Okay, tap away by the last day of the month or 15th right here. And next month, I want to set aside another $350 or refill up to $350. Okay. Now, once that's done, just click on save target. Now, if you have access money right here, or if you have available money under your wallet, okay, you can just click on assign. The $350 right here is already assigned while you're good to go. Now, you could do the same for next month. Okay. Just assign if you already have the money. Now, all you got to do next is just go ahead and do the same to other categories right here. All right. And now, if you want to delete one again, right click, hit on delete. And once done, you're good to go. Now, that is how you create a budget here in YNAB. You'll be able to see the assigned, the current activity, and the available balance. Let's say green right here. Well, you're good to go. If it says red right here, well, that means that you overspent. Okay. If you want to know how to handle overspent money right here under YNAB, again, go ahead and check the videos on the channel. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.